Hello traders and investors. Last week we have seen yearly ORB strategy in the trading view chart with a free trading view indicator. This week we are going to see monthly ORB strategy. This monthly ORB strategy is also similar to yearly ORB strategy. The retesting level, the confluence indicator and entry exit, everything is similar to yearly ORB, but here the time frame is different and the holding period is different. For yearly ORB strategy, we have a holding period of 1 week to 3 months period. Here in the monthly ORB strategy, we are having a holding period of 2 days to 1 week to 10 days period. So for a shorter swing trade, 2 to 3 days trade or 1 week trade, you can easily use this monthly ORB system to your advantage. Let us see the entire system in this video. Hello traders and investors. I am Haresh, SEBI Registered Research Analyst. Disclaimer: investment in securities market are subject to market risk. Read all related documents carefully before investing. The securities quoted are for illustration only and are not recommendatory. For more details on our premium services, contact us at 763993695. Now we are in trading view chart. We have switched on the monthly ORB indicator. How to get the indicators? I have already told you in the previous video. It is free only. You can use it for lifetime. Here in monthly ORB, our time frame is 15 minutes. Okay. Some people use hourly, some people use 5 minutes. We are using 15 minutes only. It is tested and based on my experience, I am suggesting 15 minutes. Even though you can use your testing and you can decide on your time frame. First, we have to check whether this 15 minutes time frame is respecting or not. See here, in the first stock itself, it is clearly coming and respecting this level. So rather than other price action like order block, SMC, Fibonacci and all other techniques, simply this ORB levels is respecting. See here, sell and then rejection is respecting here. See here, buy, first support, second support, third support. See here, it is a one-way rally. See, buy, then exact support happened here. See, buy, support, second support. See, buy, first support, second broken the low and then broken the high, then took support here. Since we are a stock trader only, we are not trading in F&O and not on any other asset class. We are on the equity long only trader. So I am recommending this for equity long only. This channel is entirely dedicated for swing trade, positional trade and long-term investing, especially in stocks only. Okay. So we follow momentum philosophy. For intraday trading, swing trading and positional trading, we follow momentum concept only. And here in this YouTube channel, we will be presenting lot of strategies, unique strategies or unique interpretation. Market, the experts will interpret one indicator in one way. Based on my experience, I interpret the indicator in a unique way and then I will present it to you, do your analysis. Your responsibility is to do your due diligence, backtest it thoroughly and add it with your existing strategy and use it to your advantage. So simply every week you will be getting a new strategy in this channel. So keep the channel subscribed and notification on and share it, the channel and the strategy videos to as much trading community possible. So here first step is we have to check whether the level is respecting or not. See here, sell side is also it is respecting, but we are focusing on only the buy side. See exactly where the price is hovering. See, so we came to a conclusion that the level is respecting, even though it is simple open range breakout, open range level. In spite of the swing high, swing low and other SMC concepts, simply demand supply zone etc., this level is working. Then what we have to do, we have to select the narrow range. So after the month first 15 if the calendar month is open and the first 15 minutes candle is completed, either during the market hour or after the market hour, you check all the F&O stocks. We recommend F&O stocks and find out the stocks within the range of 1%. Okay, so 1% will be better for the monthly ORB. So this stock is in the range of 0.67%. So this is our candidate. What we are going to do, whenever the price is breaking on the upside with the confluence indicator, here as a confluence indicator I have added a 3 and 13 period crossover moving average as a cloud. So this cloud is turning into green. Range is less than 1%. So I am taking the entry. So within 1 or 2 days, easily it will reach 3 to 4%. So 1:3 risk reward I have easily achieved here itself and exited. So this is called quick swing trades, which will last for mostly 2 days. 15 minutes time frame, mostly based on my experience, will travel in a direction for 2 to 3 days. Again, it will come down for 2 to 3 days. Again, it will go up for 2 to 3 days. Then it will come down for 2 to 3 days. This is a cycle happening in 15 minutes time frame. Historically, in most of the stocks, it will happen. See, 2 to 3 days up move, then down move, then up move, then down move, then up move, then down move. This will 70 to 80% of the time it will happen like this only. Market will travel in waves, especially there is also a time wave. For a 15 minutes, the time wave is 2 to 3 days. So see, randomly all F&O stocks we are saying here, see, 2 days bullish move, 2 days bearish move, 2 days bullish move, 2 days bearish move. Okay, so this is what will happen. So what we are going to do is, in the monthly ORB, we are selecting the less than 1% ORB stocks. Then we are waiting for the price to cross with the confluence. Here I have shown a confluence. You can use any confluence of your own, your past strategy, whichever strategy is performing best for you, you can use that. Take a trade where the percentage range is very less than 1%. See here, it is less than 1%. In this candle, it is breaking the green line, that is the buy line. Here we are taking the trade, and within 1 day or 2 days, it has reached the 1:3 target. That's it. Book it and exit. Otherwise, the next 2 days, it will come down. So you should not wait. Once it has reached 1:3, book and exit. Or use a trailing method. Once the cloud, if we are using this as a trailing method, once the cloud changes from green to orange, we will exit. That's all. So this is the strategy. See here, Ashok Leyland, range established, but it is not less than 1%. We will look for stocks with less than 1% range. See here, this is a 0.9% range. In the second candle itself, it has broken and rallied. We may not find the stock immediately, so we cannot take this as a trade. We will look for another retest. See here, there is a retest happening. Then the buy happening here with the green candle. From here, see, 1:3 ratio achieved. That's it. So simple strategy. The winning is based on proper money management and risk reward. This strategy will not help for capital wise money management. For example, if you are having 3 lakh rupees, you are investing 1 lakh rupees in each trade and booking profit on percentage basis, this will not work. This is a risk reward based method. So here you have to select the narrow range stocks. Then on the narrow range stocks, you will aim for minimum 1:3. Or trailing method, which gives you target greater than 1:3. See here, in this stock, initial buy 1%, 1.1, we will take it as 1%. See, here it has given 1:3. Again came down, sell. We are not going to sell this stock because we are a long only trader in equity stock. Again it is breaking the buy. See here, it is has given 1:5 also. So improvising is in your hand. Concept I have introduced. A third point of view I have introduced. So your responsibility is to backtest it thoroughly and add some additional confluence to make it strong and improve your existing strategy. So don't hop strategy immediately. Strategy hopping is the biggest mistake traders and investors do. Only add this to your advantage. Add this to your existing strategy. See, the range is 0.85%, broken. 1:3, 1:5 ratio have easily happened in this 3 days. See, here also it has broken, see the risk reward. So these are called as a quick swings. For our knowledge, we keep the name as quick swing. So in future, whenever we refer this is a quick swing trade, we are referring to monthly ORB. Okay. So last video we have seen the yearly ORB, that is for 10 days to 1 month, 2 month, 3 month position. This is monthly ORB. This is for 2 to 3 days to 1 week position. Okay. Can we use this strategy in weekly time frame also as a weekly ORB? But it will be very volatile. Even though it is volatile, I will just introduce you the concept. As a pro trader, you check that thoroughly and then use it to your advantage. Let's have a glance on our courses. We focus entirely on momentum trading and investing. Hence, we have designed 2 courses. One is Momentum Intraday, where we have 2 strategies. 1 minute strategy, where we take entries based on pullback on the momentum direction. And in 5 minute strategy, we will take a single candle stop loss based breakout trading based on the momentum concepts. We focus only on stock trading and investing. These strategies will be used entirely for intraday stock trading as well as swing, positional and long-term investing. In this momentum investing course, we focus on daily time frame swing trades and monthly time frame long-term investing strategies based on momentum, fundamentals, trend and price action. So whatever the data points required for a retail trader has been coded as a custom indicator in TradingView. 90% of the work will be completed by the indicator, and the remaining 10%, what is the logic and concept based on which the strategies have been built, will be explained through our course video. Combining these two, you will get an edge in the market. To experience the indicator, we are providing a 5 days free trial where you can check the performance of the indicator, live test, back test. Once you are satisfied, you can join our courses. If you want a demo of 5 days, kindly WhatsApp us at 763999365. Our team will do the needful. If you are trusting someone with your stock market journey, choose research over speculation. We are a SEBI registered research analyst. To learn how to trade and invest using our momentum framework, for free consultation and demo of our services, call us at 763999365. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.